me just show you something, little top tip for you amateur DIYers. I'd use that. I use a screwdriver. Don't need a gun, don't need to go to any additional expense. Place that in there. Remove the nozzle, make do nozzle that I made out of an old screw. And there you go, look, out it comes. No problem at all. So, let's get on and do the job. There we go. So, what we've got here is just try and get focus, because obviously I'm not using the most expensive equipment here. There's the problem. Now, what I'm going to do is take that little piece of, there it is. That's all it is. Look, that finger looks extreme. I might have kept that finger a bit too close to the fire earlier. I don't know what's happened to it. It might be an optical illusion, or I might have scalded it making an egg for breakfast and accidentally put my finger in the egg. But so if there's any medical people out there, thank you. Please help. Don't know what's happened there. Interesting. Anyway, don't want to worry. I'm not a hypochondriac. Not much anyway. Here we go. Here we go. Sometimes another top tip came through from a professional brother of the brush, and he said he whistles whilst doing this. I'm going to put this down again, get another blob of it. Now, I've got some more now. There it is, there's the crack. It's quite large. We'll try to fill it. Just a few seconds. And there you go. It's only 2 coats, top tip number 26, using cork without the need of a cork gun. The finger's still not better. Still not better. I'm worried. I'm a bit worried about it.